Leather isn't just about comfort, it's about class. And to keep it looking and feeling its best, you need the right care. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly clean and condition your leather. Start by spraying our leather cleaner directly onto the surface. Use a soft brush to scrub in gentle, circular motions. This lifts dirt, oils, and buildup from the pores of the leather. Next, wipe away the loosened grime with a clean microfiber towel, leaving the surface fresh and ready for conditioning. For added protection, use our leather conditioner. Place 2 to 3 lines directly onto the applicator pad, then work it into the leather using a crosshatch pattern, side to side and then up and down for full and even coverage. And that's it! Clean, conditioned leather with a soft feel, original look, and lasting protection.